How's it going, guys? Now we're going to jump straight in with this underwear brand called BKIEO. But before I try these bad boys on, I just want to take a minute to really appreciate the design and branding that comes with this underwear. Having that design background myself, I must admit, I kind of fell in love with the use of colour, the use of font and the overall design and visual layout of this brand. The small details really do make this an experience, as each piece of underwear has its own little compartment which you remove with the help of a design little tag that opens up perfectly. Now, as you can see, each underwear has been assigned to a certain day of the week and a task. Tuesday's task, go for a walk. Wednesdays, take exercise, and Thursdays, plan a getaway. It even comes with a cool little design on what to do to look after the underwear and how to order your next pair. And now, the final product. Now let's see how they fit. Now these undies are crafted from a natural ribbed lyocell fabric, which is not only super comfy but also eco-friendly. Made from renewable wood pulp fibres and free from chemical additives, they're definitely a nod to sustainability and a reminder to cherish our planet. Now the advantages of using this material is that it feels soft, breathable and moisture wicking. It's ideal for sensitive skin whilst keeping you cool and dry all day, especially if you're going to the gym or running or anything active. Now, I've never worn this type of underwear before, but the spacious pouch and fly design pretty much leaves your boys, your package, or whatever you want to call it, from being squeezed between your legs. The colours also work really well, and I think my personal favourite might be this blue one, and maybe the green one. Now if you guys want to get your hands on a pair of these, I've put the link in my bio for you to click on and it will take you straight to the website. Also, if you want 15% off, don't forget to use my discount code. See you next time.